So I've thrown some green beans in a pot of boiling water, and they're going to remain here for about 2 minutes until they turn a really pretty bright green. Then I'll drain them and just frying them with some cool water to stop them from cooking. These 3 shallots, rather large, thinly sliced, are going to go into the preheated oil. I like avocado oil. And this is going to take about 6, 8, maybe even 10 minutes for them to get crispy. With the shallots all crispy, we're going to put them and let them drain on a paper towel. Add a little bit more avocado oil and I'll cook the mushrooms. I added about a tablespoon of butter. And in about a minute, I'm going to put the green beans in here. I'm sprinkling a little bit of Himalayan salt just to bring out the flavors. This is all ready to go. I'm going to stick it in my serving dish. So be sure to put it in a oven-safe, microwave-safe dish because I made this in advance. And when the turkey comes out and the vegetables go in to get heated up, I'll cover this up with foil. Maybe not, just enough to heat it. And then put it on the serving table. So it's a pre-made vegetable. I hope you enjoy it. We really like it.